Okay, I'm back with another deep box to put these bees in now that we discovered we had more out here than we thought we had. So I've already checked the other boxes. So everybody's got enough mediums. My two fast ones is the ones that needed them, so they're there, we're good to go. So let's go ahead and move these bees and get them settled in and get this over with before I get any hotter than I am. And they get any hotter than they are. So, but they're ready. Spray them with some sugar water so they don't want to move around. Pop this lid and quickly get these girls moved. Maybe we'll see the queen, maybe we won't. I don't care as long as I see the larva. Whew. Yeah, lots of bees in this box. All right. Keep everybody occupied. We'll try to do this as quickly as possible so we're not making them any more upset than necessary. Lots of brood. So now we're going to do is put a little feed to them. close them up, and call it. We need to dump the rest of these bees in there just in case she's up here. Okay. Okay. So there we are. Successful move. We'll leave the box sitting here so any strays will move in there with them. Go ahead and tap these off while I'm out here, just in case. There. All right. That is it for the day, folks. And we'll talk to y'all soon.